Hi, can you hear me now? Okay, so we are working on grade 3 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter logical reasoning, and the lessons we're going to cover today are guess the number, largest slash smallest number possible, and find the order, right? Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So let's just start with the lesson. PK, I'm not your friend, isn't it? So you can call me teacher. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is guess the numbers. So basically, we're given with the questions. You have to think logically and guess the numbers. So read the question carefully, understand the question, you will find the number. Let's start with the first example. I am an even two-digit number, right? Even number and a two-digit number. I have a 7 in the tens place and I am greater than 76. So you have to find a number. Find a number that is even, two-digit number, must have a 7 at the tens place and is greater than 76, right? So you have to see the number must be greater than 76, right? Here is 76. So all the numbers from 2, and the number must be two-digit number starting from 77 until 99. Also, I have a 7 at the tens place, so you have only three options: 77, 78, 79, right? The number must be even. So the even number between 77, 78, and 79 is only 78. Got it? So that means the correct option is 78. Start with the, like, the first thing is I'm greater than 76. So all the numbers from greater than 76 is 77 and two-digit number until 99. Then I have a 7 at the tens place. You are left with just three numbers. They have 7 at the tens place. The last thing is the number must be even. So yes, that is 78. Right? So let's just start with the test question. You need to apply the conditions given in the question, right? Okay, I have a 0. Let's start with the test question. I have a 0 in that ones place. I'm greater than 60 but less than 79, right? So all the numbers that are between 60 and 79 are 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, and 78, right? Less than 79, so they are till 78. Now I have a 0 at the ones place. You have only one number that have the 0 at the ones place, right? So yes, that is 70. Got it? The correct option is 70. Option 1 is the correct one. Okay, I'm an odd two-digit number. I have a 3 in the tens place. I'm greater than 37. Which is the correct option? 38 or 39? greater than 37, right? And 3 at the tens place. So which is the correct option? Also, the number must be odd. You have only two numbers after 37 that have 3 at the tens place, right? 38 and 39. So the only odd number is 39. Yes, the correct option is 39. Very good. Okay, I have a 6 in the ones place. I am greater than 79 but less than 94. Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Very good, that is 86. Why not 76? Because in the question you are given I am greater than 79. Got it? So the number that is greater than 79 is 86. Very good. I'm an odd two-digit number. I have a 6 at the tens place. I'm greater than 67. Which is the correct option? Great. The correct option is yes, the correct option is 69 because 66 is smaller than 67, right? The correct option is 69. I'm an even number. I have a 9 in the tens place. You do not say me. When you count by tens, I'm less than 94. Which is the correct option? Very good. The correct option is 92 because the even number is 92, right? I'm an odd one digit number. I'm greater than 7, which is the correct option. You have only two numbers, two one digit numbers greater than 7, right? They are 8 and 9. But 8 is an even number. So the only option you have is 9. So, yes, the correct option is 9. Very good. Okay, you can. I'm an odd number. You do not say me when you count by fives. I'm greater than 3 but less than 9. What number am I? Which is the correct option? You have to see the number that is greater than 3 but less than 9. So the numbers that are greater than 3 and less than 9 are 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I am an odd number. You cannot say me when counting by fives. This is cancelled, right? Odd number it is. The options given are 7 and 6. 4 and 8 are not in the options. So you have to select the number between from 7 and 6. So the only odd number is 7. Got it? So the correct option is 7. Got it? The correct option is 7. The next one is I am a two-digit number, right? I have a 3 in the ones place. I'm greater than 86, which is the correct option. Just understand the question, apply the conditions, you will find the correct option. You can see the question is I am a two-digit number, right? The question is I have 3 at the ones place. First, the number is two digit. The second, I have 3 at the ones place. I'm greater than 86. So the only number that is greater than 86 has 3 at the ones place and is a two digit number is 93. The correct option is 93. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is largest slash smallest number possible. Okay, let's just start with the lesson that is largest slash smallest number possible. Okay, what is the highest number, highest whole number you can make with the following digits? Okay, so you're given the digits, right? They are. What's wrong with you, Gojo? Don't you have the manners to talk to someone? You can leave. What is the highest? Every session, in every week, every session, you do the same. You can leave. What is the highest whole number you can make with the following digits? If you came late, you have to start the session from the beginning. You are not the only one I am teaching. What is the highest whole number you can make with the following digits? The digits are 4, 6, 8, 5, 3. Basically, you need to make the highest number, right? So you have to start with the highest number. The highest number is 8, right? Highest number is 8 and 8 is at the highest position. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers, right? So you can make the place value chart 6 for 6 digit. It must be ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. That means 8 is at the 10,000 position. Then the next number after 8 is like 8 is removed. Then now the highest number here is 6. So here you have then 6. 6 is at the 1000 position, right? Then the other number after 6 is highest after 6 is 5. 5 is at the hundreds position. Then you have 4 and then you have 3. Got it? That's how you make the highest digit. What you have to do, you have to arrange the numbers from greatest to least. You can see 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, and that makes the highest digit, that is 86,543. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, what is the smallest whole number make using the following digits? So, which is the correct option? So, when you are going to make the smallest number, you have to do the same in the with the opposite direction, right? What you have to do? You can't find what the lesson or what, write the complete question. Okay, what is the smallest whole number you can make? So, when you are writing the smallest whole number, you have to write down the smallest number. You need to make the place value chart, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits, right? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000, right? So first you have to write the smallest place value with the smallest number at the highest place value, right? So highest place value is 10,000. You need to write 1 over here. Then after 1, it is smallest number is 4. Then you have 6, then you have 5, then you have 6, and then you have 7. Yes, so the smallest number you can make is 14,567. The correct option is 14,567. Gojo, if you are talking about the lesson from the beginning, just see the red line right below the lesson and scroll it to the start and start the session from the beginning. That is 14,600 and 567. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? Okay, the next one is, what is the greatest whole number you can make with the following digits? So which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? Or continue from the question we are working on. Once I'm done with the session, then you can start with the beginning and go through the lesson you have missed. Which is the correct option? Which is the greatest number you can make from these numbers? That is 7,610. You always have to start with the greatest number at the greatest place value, right? Yes, that is 7,610. Very good. What is the greatest whole number you can make with the following digits? Which is the correct option? Yes, the greatest number you can make from these numbers is 6,400, and option number 2 is the correct option. What is the least whole number you can make using all of these digits? Which is the correct? Now you need to make the least number, the smallest number. Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 14,689. The correct option is 14,689. Very good. Okay, the next one is what is the least whole number you can make using all the following digits? So, which is the correct option? Least whole number you need to make, right? So, the correct option is yes, very good. That is 4,569. Option number one is the correct option. That is 4,569. What is the highest whole number you can make using the following digits? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is option 2 is the correct option. 1 is the least one, right? So 1 must be the last number. That is option number 2. It is 6,421. It is. Very good. What is the least whole number you can make using all the following digits? So which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, that is option number 1, 34,678. Option number 1 is the correct option. Can you hear me now? Be patient when you're not hear me. You need to wait. Okay, what is the largest whole number you can make using the following digits? Be patient when you're not hear me. You need to wait. Okay, what is the largest whole number you can make using the following digits? Be patient. The largest number you can make is, yes, that is option number two, 8,741. It is right. The largest number you can make is, what is the lowest whole number you can make using all the following digits? Which is the digit you can make? What is the lowest whole number you can make using all the following digits? Which is the digit you can make? Yes, that is lowest number you need to make. Option number two, 3,456. It is very good. What is the highest whole number you can make with the following digits? The correct option is, the highest whole number you can make is, yes, that's I think one the same question we did in the tutorial. 86,543. It is option number two is the correct option, right? Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just start with the next lesson. The next lesson is find the order. Okay, the white horse is faster than the black horse, right? But slower than the brown horse. Which horse is slower, the brown or the black? Basically, you have to find the order, right? Let me explain how do you find the order. This one is already solved. So you make a like use this story to make the order. White horse is faster and black is slower. Black is slower and white is faster. But slower, that is about the white horse. White horse is slower than the brown horse. So you can see here it is. White horse is slower than the brown horse. That means the slower horse is black one. That's the solved one. Let's just start with the test questions. We can make the order. Okay. Colette made fewer baskets than Kela. Okay, so Colette make fewer and Kela make more, right? Colette made more baskets than Diana. She made more than Diana, so Diana is here. That means Diana made less than Colette, right? So who made the most baskets? Which is the correct option? Who made the most? Kayla made the most, isn't it? No, no. Kayla made the most. You can see this order. The first line is Colette made fewer baskets than Kayla. Here is Colette and here is Kayla. Because Colette made fewer and Kayla made more. Now that is about the Colette. Colette made more baskets than Diana. Here is Colette. and here is Diana. That means Diana made less than call it. So obviously, who made the most? Kayla made the most. Just understand the question, right? Okay, the next one is the lemon cookie is larger than the ginger cookie. Okay, lemon cookie is larger and no, hold on. Lemon cookie is larger than the ginger cookie. Okay, here is ginger cookie and here is lemon because lemon is larger and ginger is smaller, right? But smaller than the oatmeal cookie. Whenever you have the but, that is about the lemon cookie. That means lemon cookie is smaller than the oatmeal. So that means here is then oatmeal, right? Because oatmeal is because lemon cookie is smaller than the oatmeal cookie. So this is smaller, larger. So oatmeal is the largest cookie. The question is which cookie is smaller, the ginger cookie or the oatmeal cookie? You have to see the smaller cookie. So just go through this order. Ginger is the smallest, then you have lemon, and then you have oatmeal is the largest, right? So the correct option is the ginger cookie. Got it, everyone? If you have any question, any confusion, you can please ask the question. The smallest cookie is the ginger cookie. Got it? Okay, Sean scored fewer goals than the Brandy, right? So Sean has fewer score, Brandy has more. Brandy scored fewer goals than Bob. Brandy has fewer than Bob. Which is the correct option? Who scored the fewest goal? Which is the correct option? Obviously, the Sean scored the fewest goal. The correct option is Sean. For the next one, you have to make this order and tell me the answer. Use your notebook and pencil. The Wolverines scored fewer points than the Eagles, but more than the Tigers. Which team scored more points, the Tigers or the Eagles? Which is the correct option? Who scored the more points? Which is the correct option? Eagles scored the more. We'll see how. Wolverines scored fewer than Eagle, right? So here is Eagle. Eagle scored more and Wolverines less. But more points than Tiger, right? That means Wolverine has more than the Tigers. The question is which team scored more? So obviously the Eagles scored the more, right? The correct option is Eagles. Got it? Think and then answer. You can take your time, no hurries. The yellow house is taller than the white house, but shorter than the tan house. Which house is the shortest? Which is the correct option? No guesses. Think and then answer. Yellow is taller than the white one, but yellow is shorter than the tan house. Which house is the shortest? White house is the shortest one. The white horse is the house is the shortest one. Kimi runs slower than Janel. Lon runs slower than Kimi. Who runs slower? Just make the order, then that would be very easy for you. Use your notebook and pencil if you have. But I think no one have their notebook and pencil right now. Kimi runs slower than Janel. Kimi is slower, Janel is faster. Lon runs slower than Kimi. Lon is here because she runs slower than Kimi. Who runs slower, Lon or Janel? Lon runs slower. The Lon runs slower. You can see the order. Janel is the fastest one. Kimi and Lon is the slowest one. The correct option is Lon. Right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. We were working on grade 3 maths, sorry. Chapter we were working on is logical reasoning. The lessons we have covered today are guess the number, largest, smallest number possible, and find the order, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 9 and from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So if you have any questions related to the lesson we have just finished, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Okay, bye everyone.